right, all of my relevant people, welcome back to my channel. Let's get this juicing video started. So the main ingredients of this juice are pomegranates, peaches, oranges, and apples. Today's juice is called Pomegranate Peach Detox Blend. Pomegranates are an excellent fruit for cleansing and detoxing the body. These fruits contain vitamin C, magnesium, potassium, and beta-carotene. They have also been identified as the third highest fruit source of antioxidants. Pomegranates contain lycopene and other phytonutrients that may help reduce the risk of prostate cancer. Then we have apples. Apples contain an antioxidant called quercetin, which helps to reduce LDL, which is the bad cholesterol levels. These fruit are also rich in a soluble fiber called pectin, which may help flush toxic heavy metals from the body. Peaches. In addition to their sweet flavor, peaches are also known for being an excellent source of both vitamin A and potassium. These fruits also contain boron, niacin, whichever way you pronounce it, or vitamin B3, which has been shown to reduce the risk for cardiovascular disease. Lastly, we have oranges. Oranges are known for their vitamin C content, but they actually contain more than 170 different phytonutrients. These fruits have been shown to help shrink tumors, prevent blood clots, and reduce inflammation. You guys, so I'm finally done juicing. As you saw in the previous clip, I was able to fill a total of 4 jars, and the jars are 16 ounces, and all of the juicer, the juice recipe, the juice book, and where I got these from will be listed in the description box. But I'm finally done, and I still have a little bit left for myself, so cheers. Let's taste this. Let's see. This is really good. I was hoping it wasn't going to be good because it took me a long time to get all the pomegranates out of, I guess, out the shell part or whatever. I watched a YouTube video on how to cut the pomegranate and how to get it out, and it worked on one of them where you cut the top open, and then where you see like the white little lines, you make 4 little slits, and then take a spoon, a wooden spoon or something, and beat it. The struggle was real. I had pomegranate juice all over the place. I'm gonna have to thoroughly wipe down my counter to make sure I got it, because I do have little stinky fruit flies all over the place, which they work my nerves. I'm probably gonna have to go ahead and take trash out. But anyways, Ooh, I'm gonna have to make that recipe. I don't know. I'm gonna have to find another YouTube video on an easier way to cut or how to get the pomegranates out without juice going everywhere. But I do taste the oranges in this, so that's what I was thinking. I taste the oranges. I don't really taste the apples or the peaches. I don't really taste you know what, I do taste the pomegranates a little bit now. But it is good. This will go in one of my top favorites juices that I've juiced so far. It's good. I was hoping it wasn't gonna be good because, oh Lord, if anyone has an easier method on how to get the pomegranates out of out of their shell or whatever it's called, please leave a comment in the comment section, please, because my sister was struggling. And also, all of the fruits that I use will be listed in the description box, and also how many I used of each as well. That way you can get 4 16 ounces. I think I got a total of 84 ounces. Just a tad bit over 84 ounces. I think I'm doing my math right. Yeah, no, 64. Sorry. Oh my gosh. 64 ounces. Oh, Jesus. 64 ounces. It's time to go to bed. But I hope y'all enjoyed yet another juicing video, and I hope that you all learned some valuable or some valuable or vital information about each fruit and what it does to the body and how it helps the body in a natural way. But in the words of the pastor, in closing, please don't forget to like, comment, share with your neighbor. I want you to look at your neighbor and say, neighbor, share this video with them. Okay, share video. Okay, and last but not least, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, y'all. Let's grow this channel. Let's get this channel to the minimum, or the minimum, what is it, the minimum subscribers. Let's monetize this channel, y'all. Okay, let's get it monetized. Okay, hallelujah. But anyways, I'm done ranting and going on and on and on. But y'all have a good day, good night, good evening, whatever time it is in your time zone. But y'all have a good night or a good day. Bye, y'all. I got to go. Okay, let me go. Let me clean up this kitchen.